everyone. Today, we're going to learn two very important words, endangerment and extinction. These words help us talk about animals and nature. Let's find out what they mean and how to use them. First, let's talk about endangerment. If an animal is in danger of disappearing forever, we say it's endangered. For example, pandas and tigers are endangered animals. Why? Because they don't have enough safe places to live or people hunt them too much. Next, we have extinction. This is when all the animals of one kind are gone forever. For example, dinosaurs are extinct. That means no dinosaurs live on Earth anymore. Let's see how we can use these words in a conversation. Did you know tigers are endangered?
Really? That's so sad. What can we do to help?
We can protect their homes and we can stop hunting them. If we don't, they might go extinct like the dinosaurs. Remember, when we talk about animals in danger, we say they are endangered. If they disappear forever, we say they are extinct. Let's do our best to protect nature and save our animals. If this lesson was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. See you next time.